Welcome to Have You Read It? The channel where we bring books to life, one summary at a time. Today we are going to be talking about The Making of a Manager, What to Do When Everyone Looks to You by Julie Zhuo. This book is a practical guide for new and seasoned managers, filled with actionable advice and relatable stories. Julie Zhuo shares her journey from being an inexperienced manager to a VP at Facebook, offering insights on how to lead effectively by focusing on purpose, people, and processes. This book is valuable because it provides a fresh perspective on leadership in the modern workplace, emphasizing empathy, adaptability, and continuous self-improvement. In The Making of a Manager, Julie Zhuo emphasizes that great managers are made, not born, and it all starts with understanding the core of what management truly is. According to Zhuo, management is about achieving better outcomes through a group of people working together. This means that a manager's job is to build a team that works well together, support members in reaching their career goals, and create processes to get work done smoothly and efficiently. Zhuo highlights the three main things that managers should think about all day: purpose, people, and process. Purpose refers to the outcome your team is trying to accomplish and ensuring that everyone understands why their work matters. People involves making sure that team members are set up to succeed, have the right skills, and are motivated to do great work. Process describes how your team works together, including establishing values and principles for decision-making. One of the most important aspects of management, according to Zhuo, is building trust. She suggests that managers should strive to be human, not just bosses, by showing respect and care for their reports, investing time in helping them, and being honest and transparent about their performance. It's also important to admit your own mistakes and growth areas to create a more authentic and relatable connection with your team. Another key takeaway from the book is the importance of helping people play to their strengths. Zhuo argues that managers should focus on identifying what each person does best and finding opportunities for them to use those skills to benefit the team. She also stresses the importance of not tolerating toxic behavior, such as bullying or undermining others, as it can have a detrimental effect on team morale and productivity. Zhuo acknowledges that becoming a manager can be a challenging transition, especially when it involves managing former peers. She offers advice on how to navigate this dynamic, including setting clear expectations, having hard conversations, and dealing with changes in how people treat you. She also emphasizes the importance of balancing individual contributor work with management responsibilities and knowing when to scale back on the former to focus on the latter. In addition to building a strong team, Zhuo stresses the importance of giving feedback effectively. She outlines 4 types of feedback: setting clear expectations, giving task-specific feedback, sharing behavioral feedback, and collecting 360-degree feedback. She also offers guidance on how to deliver critical feedback or bad news in a way that is direct, honest, and compassionate. Managing yourself is another crucial aspect of being an effective leader, according to Zhuo. She encourages readers to get to brutal honesty with themselves by understanding their strengths, weaknesses, and triggers. She also emphasizes the importance of finding your confidence when you're in the pit, which involves challenging irrational thoughts, practicing self-care, and asking for help from people you can be real with. Zhuo also provides practical advice on how to run amazing meetings, which she says should have a clear purpose, the right people, and a chance for everyone to contribute. She stresses the importance of preparing for meetings, setting norms for participation, and following up afterward to ensure that action items are completed. Hiring well is another key responsibility of managers, according to Zhuo. She advises readers to design their team intentionally, describe their ideal candidate precisely, and develop a sourcing strategy to find the best people. She also emphasizes the importance of delivering an amazing interview experience and showing candidates how much you want them. Zhuo acknowledges that hiring is a gamble, but she offers tips on how to make smart bets, such as examining past examples of similar work, seeking out trusted recommendations, and getting multiple interviewers involved. She also stresses the importance of rejecting anyone who exhibits toxic behavior and building a team with diverse perspectives. Finally, Zhuo emphasizes the importance of making things happen by starting with a concrete vision, creating a believable game plan, and focusing on perfect execution over perfect strategy. She also advises readers to break down big goals into smaller pieces, define who is responsible for what, and take the long view with top talent. Leading a growing team requires a different set of skills and mindset than managing a small team, according to Zhuo. She highlights the importance of shifting from direct to indirect management, adapting to constant context switching, and learning to pick and choose your battles. She also stresses the importance of developing a strong bench of leaders and aiming to put yourself out of a job by empowering others to take on more responsibility. Ultimately, Zhuo concludes that nurturing a healthy culture is essential for creating a successful team. She advises readers to know the kind of team they want to be a part of. Never stop talking about what's important, always walk the walk, create the right incentives, and invent traditions that celebrate their values. Here are the key takeaways from The Making of a Manager. Asterisk management is about outcomes, not activities. It's about achieving better results through a group of people working together. Asterisk trust is the foundation of effective management. Build trust by being human, honest, and caring. Asterisk focus on purpose, people, and process. These are the 3 levers that managers can influence to improve their team's outcomes. Asterisk give feedback frequently and thoughtfully. Make sure your feedback is specific, actionable, and focused on helping your reports grow. Asterisk lead with authenticity and vulnerability. Don't be afraid to admit your mistakes and show your human side. Asterisk delegate effectively. Empower your team by giving them challenging problems and the space to solve them. Asterisk nurture a healthy culture. Create an environment where people feel supported, respected, and motivated to do their best work. Asterisk great managers are made, not born. With the right mindset and dedication, anyone can become an effective leader. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our next book dive.